Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the essential formatting tools in Microsoft Word that you'll use most often. Let's start with the Home tab. This is where you'll find your most used formatting options. First up, we have Font and Font Size. This is where you can change your typeface and adjust how large or small your text appears. Next, you have your basic text styling options: bold, italic, and underline. These are perfect for emphasizing important words or phrases. You can also add color to your text in two ways. Text highlighting works like a highlighter pen, while font color changes the color of the text itself. Need to create a list? The bullet points feature is right here at number 4. To align your text, whether left, center, right, or justified, you'll use these alignment buttons marked by number 5. And finally, in the Home tab, you can add line spacing to make your document easier to read. Apply shading behind your text and add borders around selected text. Now let's move to the Insert tab. This is your go-to place for adding elements to your document. Moving on to our second image. Click the Insert tab. Here you'll find tables for organizing data in rows and columns, pictures to insert images from your computer, icons for adding simple graphics, page numbers to automatically number your pages, and text box for creating floating text anywhere on your page. Moving on to the Layout tab. This tab controls how your page is set up. Orientation lets you switch between portrait and landscape mode. And Columns allows you to split your text into newspaper-style columns, though you'll only need this for specific formatting situations. And finally, the Design tab. This is where you can customize the look of your entire document. Page Color lets you change the background color of your pages. And Page Borders adds decorative borders around the edges of your page, great for certificates or special documents. And there you have it. You now know where to find all the essential formatting tools in Microsoft Word. With these 4 tabs, Home, Insert, Layout, and Design, you'll be able to create professional-looking documents in no time. Thanks for watching.